Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a quick unboxing / first impression from this bag that I ordered at the Coach outlet. Let's go ahead and begin.
Let me mention that everything was previously wrapped in plastic. I just took it out to save some time in the video, but this is what we have so far. It comes in a large box and again well packed.
So this is what she looks like. She is tiny, exactly what I need when you are shopping, right? We don't want a huge bag. Well, I don't like a huge bag anyway, and it is very tiny. You do have the Coach logo there. The color is a beautiful soft pink or coral color, if you will. Everything comes wrapped up so nicely. Inside, you have this stuff here. The original price, which supposedly was $2.98. I didn't pay that. I will put it somewhere on the screen what I paid. And it took about a week to get here. Also, you'll find some of these pouches here. You know, she is very small. Like I said, just big enough to put in your wallet and maybe some change. I don't know, it all depends how much you carry. But what I liked about this purse when I saw it online was that you can actually put it around your waist with a belt, and then you can also do a cross type of a messenger bag, if you will, or a shoulder. So let me go ahead and show you the straps. It does come with two different straps. This is a strap that you can use to put it over your shoulder or to do a cross type of messenger bag. And I really liked it because you do have the pink here, but you also have a tan color in white. So I thought the combination was kind of cute. The silverware on the bag is gold. I'm not a gold type of person. I don't really like gold. Okay, how can I say it? I would prefer it if it was silver, but for this particular bag, I think the gold hardware goes pretty good. It works out because again of the colors that we have. The other strap looks like this one, and again it's a belt practically, and you also do have gold hardware here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it looks once you put it on. Do I like the bag? Absolutely. I think it's perfect for what I need it for. And again, I wanted to share with you in case you were thinking about buying it online, you can see more or less how it looks on someone, if you will. I was gonna say in person, but not really in person. Anyhow, my friends, I am all over the place today. Even my lash is all over the place, but it doesn't matter. I hope that you like this unboxing, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adiós.